Hey everyone, been a long time since I've been up to the off-grid cabin. Today I'm going to be installing some solar lighting for the interior of the cabin, which will involve mounting a solar panel on the outside of the cabin and installing the light on the inside. It will definitely improve the visibility on the inside of the cabin and get things a little further along on the progress. Progress has been slow, I admit it, but we're going to get there eventually. You know, I've had a lot of people ask, what's the progress on the off-grid cabin? Well, I admit it's been very slow over the last 4 or 5 years, but it's still here. We still work on it a little bit when we get the chance, and today we're going to work on a little solar project for interior lighting of the cabin and just enjoying this fall weather to the best of our ability. I can't tell you how relaxing it is to come up here to the cabin, listen to the trees blowing the wind, and just enjoy the smells of fall. This is a light I'm going to install. You'll see this little solar panel I'm getting ready to, I'll put on the outside, and the light that you see right here will go on the inside of the cabin. Okay, I've got the light mounted. Now I've got to run the solar panel to the outside and mount it to the exterior wall and then hook it up to this light. Okay, I've got the solar panel mounted. Going up through the soffit. You can see it right here a little better. That will provide power for the interior light. All right, as you can see, it lights up the cabin well. Folks, I know I got a lot of work to do here on the inside of the cabin, but at least this is a start. This will help a whole lot while I'm working on things, trying to get things finalized here in the cabin. This will make a huge, huge difference. The light I just installed is actually the second of 2 solar lights here in the cabin. As you can see, I got a motion light here on the front porch of the cabin. This has been installed for several years now, I guess at least 4 or 5 years. And it's still working very, very well. Well, hopefully this is just one of many projects you guys will get to see throughout this coming fall and winter. My intentions are to work on it every chance I get. I'm not sure how often that will be, but we'll do our best. Deer season is getting ready to go into full swing with gun season coming in mid-November. And I'm sure we'll be spending a lot of time up here during deer season. And hopefully during December, January, and February, we'll be able to get a lot more done here in the cabin as well. Folks, I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you subscribing. I know progress is slow, but I guess that's the life of a man who works around and travels around for his living. Thanks for watching, folks, and we'll see you on down the trail.